Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix CapCut template not showing. For example, you open a video and here CapCut template is not showing even you have updated of your video, edited video with your CapCut. Now I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, you have to close that and you have to go to your app store and you have to check for that you have updated your TikTok app or not. First of all, you have to search for TikTok app and you have to check whether you have updated your TikTok app or not. If it is showing update, then you have to update that app. As you can see, there is no update, so it is updated version of the TikTok. After that, what you have to do is you have to also search for CapCut and you have to also look for that CapCut version is already updated or not. As you can see, there is an updated version of the CapCut installed on that device. After that, you have check all these settings and what you have to do is you have to open the CapCut. As you can see, when you edit a video, so if you want to get that CapCut template on video, so you have to click on share to TikTok, so that when you upload that video, then CapCut template option shows on your video. As you can see, if you going to click on that, then this CapCut template will appear when you upload your video. In this way you can solve this problem. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.